Hey, what is up, you guys? It's Twiz from the SNEAKERHEAD Lab here with a very exciting re-release, the re-release of the 2011 Kobe Protro 6. I know a lot of Kobe fans are going to be excited about this one, so we're going to go ahead and get them on foot, get into the materials, see the comfort levels, try to figure out this phenomenon. So without further ado, guys, let's pop right into Kobe. Alrighty guys, sorry about that little airball there, but let's get right into it. Let's see, opening up the box. Alright, right off the bat, getting into the upper for these, we are gonna have a blend of synthetic and mesh upper throughout. The mesh seems to be very breathable, very pliable and flexible, and the synthetic plastic portion of the upper seems to be in a reptilian snake-like pattern, which makes sense, Black Mamba. Getting into the tongue, it is in a jersey mesh, and right behind it I see a much thicker set of mesh inside of it. The tongue is constructed in a foam-like material, and it feels very synthetic. Black Mamba logo right in the middle of it. Getting behind, on it there is a translucent TPU heel insert with the awesome Kobe Bryant autograph there. If you look closely, it actually has a little glittery effect to it. So that's an awesome touch. The swoosh is not embroidered or anything like that. It's actually either screen printed or sprayed on there. I looked at it closely and there's a little bit of blotchiness around the plastic parts of it. So I have a feeling that they either sprayed it or they printed it on with some sort of stencil. So the lining of the shoe is in a Del Sol yellow. So I think that's awesome. It gives this sneaker a very nice pop. And with that being said, awesome design. And the elements are there so far. Alrighty guys, getting into the midsole and the outsole for the sneaker. The sneaker has a blend of black and Del Sol yellow. The Del Sol yellow is usually more engulfed in the outsole, and there's a hit of white. Then there's black on that outsole, and it's a matte black, it's not shiny. Nike Zoom branding is stamped there, and I think the cherry on top, the word phenomenon is featured on the toe cap or the toe of the sneaker. So I think it's very cool. Getting into the outsole, once again, there is a interesting, almost like a perforated hole design, and it feels very grippy, it feels very sticky. So these are gonna perform very well on the court. So very cool execution, I totally dig it. Alrighty guys, for the box, for all those who are curious about it, matte black box, black Mamba logo on top of it. Opening it up, we see a matte black finish lined on it. Nothing fancy here, just your basic white wrapping paper. No accessories with these pair of sneakers, so you guys only get one pair of awesome flat rope laces with this pair of sneakers. Minimal shoe, still very awesome, so thumbs up. Alrighty guys, thanks for joining us, and without further ado, this week's giveaway is going to be the Kobe Protro 6 in Del Sol colorway. All you guys need to do is comment your Twitter or Instagram handle below, subscribe to the channel, and you're in. Can't wait to see who the lucky winner is. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see what happens. Now. Alrighty folks, that is a wrap for today. Please hit that like and sub buttons and let me know what you think about this Protro 6s in the comments below. Check us out, I'll add the links below. With that being said, rest in peace Kobe. See you guys in the next one. Peace.